Hey YouTube, this is AbleRider22, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Minecraft server. Alright, so you're going to create a new folder, name it server 1, server, Minecraft server, anything you want, and then you're going to take the Minecraft server jar that is included in the description, and you're going to put it into the server folder. Open it up, and then it's going to prepare your spawn area. So while it's doing this, you're going to click on server properties and just set a few things up. So you're going to set Hello World to false. I set it true here, just kind of mess around with it, but you don't need that. So I just set it false, true, and then you always want to set offline mode or online mode to false, because you can have other people playing with you who do not have a Minecraft account. If it is online, then it doesn't work. Alright, so now we have our server set up, and you notice that there's a lot of files in your server now. So we're going to open up logmeinhamachi, and now we're going to do the network ID and create a new network, any name you want really. So for example, my server is Semi-Talented Gamers. Password I can't really tell you guys. If you want to know it, just hit me up with a message. And then you just hit create, then you go to open up logmeinhamachi again, and now you will go to terminal. So once terminal is set up, you're going to type in cd, then you're going to drag your server folder into, so there we go, and I'm just showing you guys that you need to type in cd before you do this. So after you do the Minecraft server jar, that's the only thing you need to do with that. So you just keep it in the folder, and you don't need to open it up ever again, unless you're trying to create a new server. Alright, so dragging it back in, so it's cd space, then you just drag your server in. And now I will put this link in the description as well. You just copy and paste it, and it will pretty much trigger your server to start. So terminal is what you're going to be using for your primary server. And while it's doing the spawn area, I guess I can tell you a little bit. So it's going to be just doing this. It'll only do this one time, unless you change things. If you change things in your server properties, then it most likely will do preparing spawn area. But it doesn't take very long after the first time, if not any time. Alright, so now we're all set up. I'm going to open up Minecraft. In this case, it's Minecraft SP. I sent on force update, but that doesn't really work because I'm not connected to the internet at this moment. So just enter game, click on multiplayer, and as you see, I have an IP plugged in. I already plugged that in earlier, but right where I'm zooming in is where the IP is. You want to copy that number and put it into where it says 5.238. Alright. So now I'm just copying it in. Alright. So once it's copied in, you just need to hit connect and it works. And you need to give your friends that IP. You need to give your friends your server info, and they can join just by doing join network instead of create network. Turning my render distance on to far to show you that it's no different than any other Minecraft world, guys. And that's pretty much all you need to do to get the basics of your server done. Alright, so if you want to make any changes on your server, you have to exit out of your terminal. You have to exit out of logmeinhamachi. Alright guys, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up our server properties again in our server folder. And I'll just go through a list of them. So it's going to be level name world. I'm changing that to Semi-Talented Gamers just for the purpose of this video. Hello World. You always want to have that false because, as I just found out, it hasn't been working for true. I'm not sure why, but it just portals you into this weird world that's not even the Nether. It's just bedrock everywhere. and you can't do anything. Spawn monsters, you want to have that false or true depending on your preference. Online mode is always false, it doesn't really do anything. Spawn animals, true, if you want animals. Max players, I set it to 10, you can change to any number that you want. Server IP, you don't need to mess with that at all. PvP, you want to do PvP true, unless you're Gandhi. Then you want to set it to false. PvP pretty much enables you to hit your friends, kill them, whatnot. Server port, don't need to mess with that. Level seed, you can put in anything you want, such as 404, Glacier, or just anything you want to do for some random luck. Then allow flight. I'm not really sure how to get this to work yet, but you can hit F for the fog. I'm not sure, it might add a little bit of lag to your server. If you don't know how to use it, I would leave it false. And whitelist needs to be false as well, because whitelist, I haven't figured that out either, sorry. Alright guys, so now we're going to open up our servers again. Do logmeinhamachi, open up terminal, and then type in cd space, drag your server 1 folder in, copy and paste the link. It'll do the spawn area again, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds for that to finish. And then finally we're going to be opening up Minecraft again once it says done. So once we open it up, we can hit connect. Alright guys, follow those beginning steps and you're on your road to having a great Minecraft server. This is AbleRider22, thanks for watching, rate, comment, and subscribe.